Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's correct. Welcome to Animation Capstone. Hope everybody's having a great week. Happy holidays. Just want to let everybody know today's the last day for assignments, so please, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please contact me immediately. Other than that, hope everybody's having a great weekend. Please let me know if anything's missing or if you need extra time or anything like that. That would be great. Other than that, that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. Thanks for being an awesome class. I really appreciate it. And if you need anything, you have my email, you have everything. Let me know if you need anything. All right. Thanks, everybody. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. And keep in mind, turn ins, this is the last day for turn ins. So make sure everything's good to go. Other than that, see everybody later. Have a good one. Thanks, everybody. Have a happy holidays and email me if you need me. My email's always open. So enjoy. Thanks for being awesome. Last minute reminders and take it easy. All right. Good luck with your courses. Good luck. And if you need any help getting into the game industry or the VR industry, just let me know. I'd be happy to help. All right. Be safe. Have fun. Thanks. Bye.